rules of the house.
Honorable member, this is not a perfect wedding.
Honorable Josie, take your seat. Honorable members of the EFF, honorable member, take your seat. Please proceed.
Honorable Speaker.
Umkosi noMagatsheni, I am uMagatsheni. So bazalwa bamzitho, I think, or I guess everyone remember the clip that I just posted when Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu said to Mr. Mababulo, this is not a perfect wedding, guys. If you remember, guys, Boy Mababulo was once very close with the president of EFF, which is Mr. Julius Malema, but later friendship yabazange ziphele kahle because kwaba nakhona nokuthi ukusuwana lapho uMalema had once uke wasuwa Mr. Mababulo because 1 million rands because Mr. Mababulo once said uMalema ushaya umfazi wakhe is physically abusing the wife, guys. And Malema once said in parliament, I have never done that, I will never done that. So hence I send a letter, my lawyers has sent a letter to Mr. Boy Mababulo because what he is saying amanga and he has to prove it, or if he's meaning it mela kubeka isho. But it seemed like Boy Mababulo bekacamba amanga, guys. And looking at umfazi ka Julius Malema, I don't think she's a woman who will stay for ukuhlukunyezwa. I understand that. So yesterday, Mr. Julius Malema uthe makabuzwa about him, no, Mr. Mababulo. He said calling Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu an ice boy was an extreme insult, which it was, guys. And I'm happy that ubonile wrong. Like one thing I'll tell you about Malema, when he's wrong, no man can admit it now. He'll later admit. One thing I love about him is that he's not arrogant. Guys, he's yes, abantu who are in power and a lot of politics they are indeed arrogant, but I think akekho that arrogant, you understand? We don't understand that because later on we all understand about mistake and he listened to the people on the ground. So he said calling Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu an ice boy was an extreme insult because back then Mbuyiseni Ndlovu was the spokesperson of EFF and he has a huge role that he's playing kunhlangano yabo. So Boy Mababulo was in the ice boy because he'll send Boy Mababulo to buy alcohol, to buy ice, and ukufuna amantombazana, guys. Boy Mababulo has not responded yet, but Boy Mababulo, I think, is someone who's very quiet. You've seen even Gulamanto Besuno wabona wase parliament, you'll see that aksu umuntu othanda ukukhuluma, even if makakhuluma, if EFF would attack him, uzobiyele move athule. So uthena to him Boy Mababulo was an ice boy and he is still ice boy because Boy Mababulo bokumuntu othunywa akufuna amantombazana. Boy Mababulo bokumuntu othunywa ukuyothenga ama-ice. Boy Mababulo bokumuntu nje othunywa eshop, ngicela ungilandela imoto yami, ngicela ungisulela imoto yami. Vele that guy nje, if vele Boy Mababulo bokumsebenzi wakhe loyo kuMalema, he is an ice boy, or he was an ice boy ka Julius Malema. And guys, I don't know why abantu mabahlukane, especially in politics, mabahlukane, especially these young ones. Mele ukhulume kabi ngomunye umuntu. One thing I'll give Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu, you'll never hear Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu akhuluma kabi ngomali. I've never heard him, guys. But uzomuzwa, even though ukuthi amagama akhe, you'll see ukuthi he's slowly shifting to ANC because of he'll praise the president, Mr. Ramaphosa, here and there. But again, maybe now because akasekho into politics, akasana any job ayenzayo to any political party, so maybe opinion wakhe nala wabonyeka washo before, because you cannot go to ANC mhlambe or EFF, you know ANC ne EFF amanzi ne oil, then uthi ayabona in right out so loud vele uzoyisho one uthi know what la president yenza into right, I understand. And I think Mbuyiseni Ndlovu now is the time now whereby azokhuluma anything about any political party, whether good or bad. So I think Malema, that thing is samshaya kancane, I understand, but he did say ukuthi yena akana with Mbuyiseni Ndlovu, Floyd Shibambu. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu, guys. So he once met Mbuyiseni as a CC Church, abhekele angamboni wahamba yombudisa, to show ukuthi, you know what, I do not have a problem with you, I understand this is a job. I think Mr. Malema has healed, because what happened to him last year, it was very sad cabanga abantu ocale nabo inhlangano people you know ukuthi they have been in your corner for the longest years, then jigili abantu sebayakujikela kuresigna lo usathi ukuresigna lo nangumfazi kalo sekaposta lo. You do not understand ukuthi ubani or who's on your corner. And now iPhathakho has lost 1% in parliament. Remember EFF was on 10%, now it's 9%, you understand? So you do not know ukuthi who is who. Ufila ngathi manje into yawa kanti before uNkulunkulu akubusisa ngento ezinhle ususa ezinye izinto kuwe. And I don't wanna say abantu abawrong, ususa ezinye izinto kuwe. So I think Dr. Mbuyiseni noMalima i-relationship yabo still stand a good chance, guys. Ngaphandle not a political relationship, a relationship as a friendship, guys, a relationship, a brotherhood relationship stand a very good chance, because Dr. Ndlozi, even if he was asked, I think on podcast and chill, and I mean I did understand him when he was saying yes, Floyd told me to resign, but it was not my place last Malima, guys. If Floyd then Floyd and understanding the character of Floyd now, Floyd banga kwenza uMalima sekazi ready ukuyolwa, then Floyd athi I've never said that thing. Understanding what Floyd did to uZuma, even though Zuma nama wrongs wakhe, but you can see ukuthi yindoda engajikana noma kunini, yindoda who doesn't stand his ground, and yindoda angathi he'll do anything for politics, he'll do anything for power. You understand ukuthi if uMbuyiseni ngabe washo bokuzoba uye umuntu omubi still, but I think one of the good days uMalima uzoyibona and understand that is all for now. But so please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.